when I went to Kolkata from Jharkhand in order to learn a spoken English. That time my college friends in Kolkata, they insulted me a lot and said me, your career option is much better in Jharkhand. Go to your jungle state and do farming over there. I don't want to call my friend's name over here because I don't care about their negative comments now. Those words used to hit me hard in my heart, like oh my god, it's not my fault if I born and grew up in Jharkhand. So I love my Jharkhand too much. But in today's video, let me tell you how I improved my spoken English from very scratch, from zero level to now I become an English trainer. So first of all, now let me tell you about my struggling time. Okay, so there was a time when I had a strong wish to speak English fluently because I had a dream to become a businessman, like entrepreneur, because my father, he does job in Kolkata. So every time when my father used to call me to come Kolkata, then I saw like, oh my god, there is a Mercedes is going on the street, and different people are coming, means most expensive areas were there I haven't seen. So that time I realized that one day I will become like them. But I didn't have too much idea, like, oh my god, how can I be like them? So only I had one option to do government job. And believe me, my mathematics was not good, my other subjects were not good, so I was very demotivated. And then one day my father, in 1st January, I think 2029, I think 2019 or something, I don't remember the exact date, and he took me to Victoria Memorial. There were like a lot of horses and it was horse racing. Then I went there. I saw there were two types of people. Some of the people were very rich, and some of the people were very like middle class. So my father, he took me to the middle class audience because we are from middle class. Then I saw like, oh my god, their personalities are so good. And I went silently to that crowd where the rich people were, betting over horses. Then one of the richest person, he said me, can you please our family picture? And I understood English and said, yeah, yeah, of course I can. And then I clicked their pictures, and he told me, well done, thank you. After that, I saw like all peoples, they were speaking only in English in that crowd. And when I came back again to see my crowd where I was living, for the moment, I saw, oh my god, there is a huge difference. So I decided, like, if I want to become extremely rich, then the only way is to learn English from my heart, because English is a medium which connects you to entrepreneur, like businessman and good people, right? So my friends, I decided completely, like, okay, I will do my hard work. I will learn English from various scratch, no matter about the excuses. So I told my father I want to study in Kolkata, and everything changed for me. When I went to Kolkata, I was expecting that my interview will be in Hindi, but ma'am, there were two ma'ams, and they started speaking only in English. I was completely shocked, like, sorry, I can't, ma'am, talk in English, so can you please tell me something in Hindi? She said, no, this institution is only for English people. And I was rejected in the interview. I came back to my room and I started crying. But my father, he is very supportive. He told me, okay, no problem. Next time you can try. And Believe me, I joined a national library and everything changed. Every day I used to, learn English. I used to write down. However, I didn't have too much idea like how to learn perfectly. But I still remember there was one girl. She used to sit with me every day in the same round table and said me why are you struggling so hard? I saw you are sitting for hours, 3 hours, without even taking any kind of break. So, what is the purpose of your learning? Why do you want to improve? I told my purpose. Then she said, okay, that's completely fine. But this is not the right way. You are memorizing vocabulary, you are learning tenses, then you will never become fluent in English. I said, then what's the right way? Please tell me. She told me, she was a Muslim girl, and she told me you should start learning sentence formation. When you see any videos of athletes and actors, then focus on the sentence formation, not on the vocabulary. And everything I changed. And another thing she said me, you can record yourself every day. So she provided me 20 days, assignment, every day different topic, and said me every day you can practice on that and record it and send it to me. She exchanged my contact number. I was very glad that day, and said me, okay, no problem, we are friends, so you can share anything, whatever the problems you have. And every day she started talking with me for 15 minutes to 20 minutes on call, around 8 to 9 p.m. every day. It was fixed consistently. Then she told me now you are improving, so record yourself when I am talking with you, and listen to me carefully, and listen to your English carefully. Wherever you are repeating the same mistakes, from the next day write it down and come with me. Then every day after talking, after finish talking, I thought okay, let me listen it to carefully. I listened attentively all my recordings. Every day I used to write it down, the mistakes, and went to her these are my mistakes, how can I improve? Every day she used to give me the solution, that how you can replace the words. If I talk all time I think something like that, then see how you can replace these words, how you can use connectors, how you can replace the synonyms, alternative words. For example, if you are repeatedly saying but, again and again but, again and again and, or very nice, very, so it sounds like a parrot, means monotone, right? Nobody love listening to the same repetitive words. So she made my English completely fluent. But again, after a few months, when I joined the Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture in Kolkata, Gold Park, then I became the second topper over there. Now all my friends, those who used to insult me, now they want to talk with me, they want to learn methods, that how you improved your English completely even without any support. So please tell me. And believe me, now I am not interested sharing my personal opinion with them. I said, okay, that was your time, now it's my time. Okay, my friend, so I'm not egoist. Okay, I don't have ego in my heart, but still you can't forget those moments, or you must not forget those moments when people demotivated you in your struggling phase, when it was your challenging phase, right? So in today's video I shared with you everything honestly. But if you want to improve your spoken English, then in next 2-3 days I am coming up with some new sentence formation series, so that I will tell you the same process. You don't need an English speaking partner, you don't need tenses, grammar, vocabularies. Okay, you can learn English with me. If you really want to speak English with your heart, you don't want to chase perfectionism, because if you want to, if you are waiting one day I will become perfect, my grammar will become perfect, then I will start learning, then you will never learn. Okay, you are wasting your time. So just comment me below that do you want to learn English speaking from me? We're using sentence formations, and you can love speaking English. You can change your environment, you can change your generation. Then please comment me below. Yes, I want to learn English desperately. Yes, I want to learn English. So my friends, I am so glad sharing my honest opinion. Now let me show you my jungle where I am recording this video. Okay, you can just see. This is a dense forest. I came here to record my video because I do not want to go and record in my village. People will laugh at me. They think like I am weird. I spend my time alone. Okay, so thank you so much, my friends.